3 watch straps in the box and a dedicated charger. When you finish downloading the app and want to connect the app Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is switched on your mobile phone. Then turn on your watch's Bluetooth. Go back to the dial page and slide right. Click on Connection. Go to Mobile app. Click on the upper right corner of the device screen. Scan the QR code of the watch. Waiting for connection. Click on Pair. The choice here is to select Yes. Now we'll connect the app's Bluetooth. Long press on the dial page to switch dials. First, make sure the watch Bluetooth is connected. Then go to the watch settings, Universal, find Call Settings. Open the last option. Then you can double tap to answer the call. The watch also has a Qibla function. The first option is an alarm clock. It can remind you of the time. The second option is the pray speed. The data is synchronized with the pray speed in the app. The third option is the curate, but here's what we need to download and sync to the watch in the app. Find the Qibla in the app. Click on the curate, starting from the sync directory. Click Sync at the top, waiting for sync to complete. Click to continue synchronization in the chapter. Voices will be downloaded at the same time during synchronization. Just wait for the voice download to complete. Now we can see the chapter content in the watch. You can also hear the chanting voice. The third option is to pray, also needs to be synchronized in the app. Click on Pray in the app. Click Sync at the top. You can see the content in your watch when the synchronization is complete. It is also necessary to make sure that the Bluetooth of the watch is connected before using this function. Then go to the function. Speak up, sound as clear as possible.
How to make the X-INOVA.
Click the button below to finish. Just wait for the results. GPT AI in the app is synchronized with GPT AI in the watch. The watch can also play music. Also check the status of the watch's Bluetooth. Open the player in your phone to control it. The second option is local music, needs to be synchronized in the app. But we need to download the songs in the website to import them. Return to the app after the song has been successfully downloaded. Import iCloud Music. Select downloaded music to import. Final wait for synchronize. Bluetooth connection required while waiting, avoiding failure. Once the sync is complete, you can listen to songs in your watch. The third option is to connect a Bluetooth headset. Watch Bluetooth turned on. Switch on the Bluetooth of the headset. Then search for the connection. Connect successfully to use. Pictures can also be viewed in the watch. Just now in the mobile app. Find out photo album. Add photo. Taking pictures. Take a picture. Use it. Waiting for transmission. Or select from album. Confirm. Once the transfer is successful, we can view the picture in the watch. Novels can be read on your watch. Importing novels in the app that have been downloaded from the website. I've already downloaded a couple of books here. Select a book to upload. Upload and read your novel on your watch. There are two modes of recording. Still have to determine the status of your watch's Bluetooth connection first. First, recording mode. You can hear the recording in the app when it's done. Second, recording mode. Recording files can be found directly in the watch. Again, make sure Bluetooth is connected. We can use a motion sensing game through the app. Choose any of your favorite games. Once it's loaded, we can play it straight away. We can also cast the screen to play in the computer or TV. The watch can also receive messages. Firstly, open the message push option in the app. All on. This is done to prevent bugs. Take WeChat for example, then find the settings for WeChat in the settings. Make sure the notification options are all turned on. Just leave the WeChat interface, watch to receive messages. There are also various health monitors in the watch. The watch is kept as close to the wrist as possible during monitoring. The watch's data is synchronized and recorded on the app. Multiple sport modes in the watch. Exercise mode data can also be monitored in the app.